In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a recurring reminder for, let's say, the third Thursday of the month or the fourth Tuesday of the month, something like that. Now, this I'm going to do in conjunction with ChatGPT. So I'll show you how to create this automation. So first thing you want to do is go over to automations, click on that. Then you're going to create a new workflow. Now, I've already got one that I was working on, but I'll just do it from scratch for you here. So we're going to say create workflow, start from scratch. Now you're going to determine whatever the trigger is that you want to use to bring people into this workflow, but we're going to say recurring specific day of the month. Now this would be for, like, let's say I want to do something on the fourth Tuesday of every month, or let's say the second Wednesday, okay? Second Wednesday of the month. So we're going to say like second Wednesday. And now, let's say on the second Wednesday, I want to send a text message. Well, first thing is I had to figure out what day numerically the second Wednesday falls between. So I can ask ChatGPT, what day will the second Wednesday of, I'm going to even leave the typo in there, of the month always fall between? And then we're just going to let ChatGPT do its thing. What day will the second Wednesday of the month always fall between? The second Wednesday will always fall between the 8th and the 14th. Every single time, no matter what month, the second Wednesday will always fall between the 8th and the 14th. So now we go in here, and what we do is we create a step. So you figure out what your trigger is. Like, did they text a keyword to join a list where you want them to get these messages, or whatever your trigger is to put them into the workflow. Then you click plus, and we're going to create what's called an if else. So let's say if else, and we're going to call this second Wednesday. Now here's where it gets fun. Down here you can name it, let's see, it falls between the 8th and the 14th, so I'm just going to say between 8th and 14th. Now down below we're going to click select, and we're going to pick date time, and then we're going to say that the current day of the month is on or after the 8th. So on or after the 8th. And we're going to click the plus sign. We're going to say current day of the month is on or before the 14th. Okay. And we want this to only go out on a Wednesday. So we're going to say current day of the month is on or after the 8th, because it's the second Wednesday of the month, on or before the 14th, and day or time, current day of the week is Wednesday. So it'll only happen if it's on a Wednesday between the 8th and 14th, which is the second Wednesday. Now we hit save. Then we're going to do one more thing. We're going to come up to settings, and then down here we're going to say time specific window. We're going to check that box on. We're going to pick what hours of the day we want the message to go out between. I typically like to send them after 9 a.m. and never past 8 p.m. So we set it up like that, and then we pick what days. So I don't want it to go out on any day but a Wednesday, so I'm going to uncheck everything but Wednesday. Last but not least, I'm going to click mark conversation as read. Otherwise, every time this message goes out, you're going to get a list of notifications. So you want to mark it as read. Then we're going to publish it, and we're going to hit save. Now, before we do that, we're going to go back to the builder. After we create this to say we want it on the second Wednesday, that's what determines the path. Now you'll add whatever action you want to happen. So if you want it to send a text message, click on that. This is my second Wednesday text. Save. Then we'll publish it and click save. Now what will happen is on the second Wednesday of every month, it will send out this text message. That's how easy it is to create an automation to go out on a specific day of the month. So just to recap, go to ChatGPT and type what day will the second Wednesday, or the whatever day it is, what day will the fourth Thursday of every month always fall between? It will tell you between where it will fall. Then you're going to create an if-else condition saying current day of the month is on or after low number, on or before high number, and current day of a week is, and then your day of the week. Save action. Set up the action that you want to have happen. Save action. Go to settings. Go down to specific time. pick only Wednesday, and that's how you do it.